I hope y'all can see this, but this is my new merchandise. 511 and a bucket and super juice. You gotta love it, baby. TNOG. So, if you would like to have this merch, here is the website. Go check it out. Go check it out. Yeah. It is so amazing. I love it. Back to our roots. Thank you. Thank you. Y'all go check out Back to Our Roots website. You will find the TNOG collection. That's where it's at. All right, y'all. It's Friday morning. Let's see what this baby. Oh, she feel good. So let's get her. All right, y'all. There she is. Let's crack her open. I wiped her on my shirt. There she is. So this is the Black Italian. That's what that is. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. Now, listen. This is the second crop. Is she good? Yeah. Is she sweet? Mm-hmm. But the first crop is so much better. It's so much sweeter. She's gooey too. She's nice and gooey and yeah, but the first crop is better than this one. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, that is real good. That was great. Thank you, Lord. Oh, morning, family. This is Linda. So I'm out watering my garden this morning. I haven't watered in days, right? So I had a question, and I thought this would be a great time for me to answer, right? So let me just tell you, the question was, Miss Linda, I don't put water on my plants when I'm watering. I put water on the soil because the water will make your leaves, dry out and turn brown, yellow. And, my answer to that would be this. When I put super juice and 511 on my garden, I try not to put it on the leaves, even though if I put it on the leaves, that's fine because super juice and 511 will not burn your leaves. No, they will not burn your leaves at all. So I try not to, but if I do, ain't no big deal. But when I water, such as this is what I'm doing, y'all. This is what I'm doing. So even the leaves gonna get some water on it. So my thinking of this is this. This is just me thinking. And the reason why I have always just watered my garden and water went all over the leaves, and that's fine with me too, is because when it rains, how does God water our vegetables? How does God water our garden? Right? Yeah. So rain comes upon all of this, all of the leaves, everything. So does the rain just put water on the soil? That's just my thinking. So because of that thinking, I just water my garden, y'all. I just water my garden. This is the way my grandmama did it. This is the way I did it when I was a kid, when I was very young, out there making 25 cents to water acres of vegetables. That's what I did. I just poured the water wherever it went. That's where it went. And we ate. We ate. So, you know, your way is your way, but this is my way. I just put the water on the stuff. All right. So this is some lettuce that I received from the beautiful Food by Faith. This is some good looking lettuce. I don't know. I've grown some lettuce similar to this one, but never this one. So let's drop these babies. Let's drop these babies. Now this container, I've been having it for some years. Yeah, some years. And I think I bought it originally from Dollar General when they was having the end of the season sale, right? Probably paid like 30 cents for it. And it have seen better days. Let's get that, but it still could hold soil, and so I'm gonna love it. I'm gonna love it. So I'm gonna let it do what it do. And now I'm just gonna drop these lettuce seeds in here. Thank you, Food by Faith, baby. Thank you. I love all the seeds that you sent to me, and yeah, I'm gonna enjoy all of them too. Now, as you can see in here, I have a broadleaf basil. Yeah, she got something on the leaf, but I'm gonna take that leaf off. Yeah, but the others, I'm gonna just let them stay. Yeah, and this is cardinal basil. That's what that is. And I do love that basil, so I'm gonna let her stay. So they're gonna work for me, right? The aroma is gonna help with the pest, and I'm gonna get the seeds. That's what I want from her, is her seeds. Yeah, so there we go. I got my Food by Faith lettuce in here. Thank you, baby. Let's go and check on this fig. I don't know. I'm gonna go check it out. The way I grew vegetables when I was a child, family, it still works today. God's way of growing back in the 60s and the 50s, it still works today. They still work today. But it's the gardeners that is putting in all of these new rules. But what I tell you is, if you drop a seed and nourish that seed, you will eat, family. You will eat. Use all your 5 senses when you're in the garden. God's way always and still works. So, this is daikon radish. Now, I'm not a big fan of radish. And on the live Sunday night, Growing Out the Box was talking about a radish tea. So the only radish I have growing right now is this radish. I have lots of radish seeds, but because I'm not a fan of it, I just don't drop them that much. But I did drop a bucket of daikon radish. Now, I dropped these before a couple of seasons ago, right? And I found them to be pretty good. So this is one. And they get pretty big in here. So let's see. I just wanted to, I don't know if I want to take it up because I want it to get bigger, but it is white. That is right there. And it really gets really big, really big. So I haven't seen any of the gardeners here in our gardening community grow daikon radish. There's only one person I've seen growing this radish, and that is Dan Permaculture Food for us. Matter of fact, the year that he grew here is the last time. That was the year I grew mine. But this is my daikon radish. So maybe I'll get some of this and make a tea. I'm not sure. But very soon I'm going to harvest one and we'll eat it and we'll see how it is. I did eat some last time. I ate it raw and it was really good raw. I enjoyed it raw in a salad. And so this time I'll take some of the leaves and I'll get, I took a screenshot of growing out the box recipe for his radish tea. We'll do that. All right, man. You don't see it, but it is raining. It's drizzling, nothing very hard, but as you can see, there's some water beads on the vegetables, but it is drizzling, raining out here this Friday morning, baby. This Friday morning. Yeah. Look at that. Yep. So it is lunchtime, and this is my arugula. Uh-oh. Hold on, baby. So I'm going to take 4 stems of my arugula. Let's see here. Let's take you. You looking all pretty. You want to come in? That's that. And I have some lettuce here that she is just running all out the container. So let me get her. Wait a minute. Trying to hold this in my hand, y'all. I don't know why I do 4 every time. I don't know. Maybe that's all I need. So there's my lettuce. I'm gonna go eat it with my lunch. All right, y'all. I hope you all have a beautiful Friday. Have a great weekend. Have an amazing weekend, right? Yeah, have a beautiful weekend. And I will see you all Sunday Night Live. Yeah, Sunday Night Live. I will see you all. All right, guys. Later, y'all.